What's this lake called? What lake are we on? Tell them what we're doing, Paul. What are we to?
We're on Campbell Lake.
Campbell Lake. How many days ahead we got?
7.
Big old rip down the lake. Some hiking in between. Some fishing. Boys are gonna be eating.
Ooh, eating big.
Boys are gonna be eating big. We got the Packraft set up. Big man Paul's been hitting the gym, you can tell. Off we go. Staying on the island tonight. Roughing it, we're gonna try and get some fish. The first known man to set foot on this island. What are you naming it?
Fall Island.
Fall Island. You gotta go explore our homeland. Day 2.
Day 2.
What do we got on schedule for today? What's on tap?
Fishing, eating.
Hunting, fishing, and loading every day. Boys ran into the dam. Gotta go around. Little hike to the other lake, and then it's back onto the old mule Packraft. That's where we're heading. We went up and down the dam, starting, what's this lake called?
Campbell Lake.
Campbell Lake. 20K of that away. Here we go. $10K in and Paul's losing it. The masked man. Well, we landed on the island. It's rainy. We are sopping wet. Try and get fire going, get some fish cooked. We gotta catch them first.
Yeah, we do.
Gasoline. So well this stuff lights. Dump her in and start her up. This is steaming. Day 3. The boys made it out of that miserable slog of a rain last night, and the skies look pretty blue today, so we're just trying to dry out some of our freezing cold wet stuff. We want to get our bear hang food right now and hopefully make her like 30K along Buttle Lake today, but it is looking beautiful. Time to get brekkie. What do we say?
What am I saying?
You gotta be in the rain to appreciate the sun, Balskit.
That's right. That's better.
Off to start Buttle Lake that way. What do you think of the wind, Paul? That's not a happy Paul right there. Boys are stuck in proper white caps out here. In the wind. Haven't made too far, only 13K, 4.5 hours. Keep on going. Too windy, boys are now walking them. Boys made camp upriver. Rapids, might take a little bath in there. What do you think of today, Paul?
I think we need a bath, for sure.
How'd you like the wind today?
It sucked. We did 20 kilometers and it took like 10 hours.
It's a long day, but found camp. Day 4 morning. It's not as windy as it was yesterday, so we're going to try and finish Buttle Lake and then start the hiking portion. So we're thinking probably 4 more nights, but hopefully the headwind doesn't kick in. Gotta pack up, it's starting to rain. Hopefully stay dry. Off we go. Day 4. To the end of Buttle Lake. Whew, it was windy and rainy. No fish, even though it says fish. This is the second part of the trip. What's the plan?
I'm gonna start walking for 40 kilometers and hopefully probably have a better chance of finding fish in the forest.
You didn't find any. We're going up there somewhere. Believe it or not, those Packrafts are in the bag. Got some thick double C girth to these bad boys. But off we go, tally-ho. Boys are gonna be bushwhacking. Where are the trail ends, Paul? Boys found snow way up here on the mountaintop. Made it to the lake. It is damn cold though. Frozen lake. Big pow. Ended up going like 28K total. Finished off the Buttle Lake. And then we were trekking up here into the mountains about however many K, so long day. We did not prepare for the snow as well as we should have. We're gonna be kind of chilly tonight, but got a big day tomorrow. Try and get to Great Central Lake, I think it's called, and then try and finish it up to Port Alberni the next day. So time to eat and sleep. Mashed potatoes, that's a good dinner.
Mustache potatoes?
Mustache potatoes. Another night in the wilderness. The boys had a very cold night. Had on 4 shirts, 2 jackets, had on 2 pairs of socks, long johns, boxers, shorts, the whole works. But it's a beautiful day today on the lake. We're at baby Bedwell Lake. Going to try to get to Bedwell Lake over there, and then try and get to Great Central. It's like a 30K hike, I think, but we don't have a specific trail, and if we lose the ability to find the trail because of snow, we'll have to figure it out. But day 5 coming up. this, ladies and gentlemen, a wild Paul in his natural habitat. Well, unfortunately, this marks the end of the journey for Nick and Paul. Made to Bedwell Lake right here. This is baby Bedwell Lake. And our goal was to get to the great Central Lake, Packraft, to the end by Port Alberni, but it's all snow up here, and we didn't plan for the snow as well as we should have. We thought we'd encounter a bit, but the trails are missing, and we're just going like maybe 1 or half a kilometer an hour, so we would have like 30k to go today, and we are running out of food, so this is the end, unfortunately. But good trip. Started in Lower Campbell Lake, 5 days, 4 nights, Packraft and hiking all the way up here. So we're gonna trek back down to 15k and get picked up by somebody. So thanks for watching. Keep your nuts bad. What do you think of that, Paul?
I don't like it very much. I'd like to keep going.
Sucks, but is what it is. That's the look of a sad man.